gorgeous you are. You're still charming as usual. And also, as what I said, how gorgeous you are.
Hi, Benjamin. You're still the same old bolero that you are. But please, come and get dinner, perhaps.
Wow. Nipahat, it's been years since I last saw one. As you know, Balineans prefer to live in strong stone houses. But then again, Nipahats are a thing of beauty. Bahay kubo, kahit munti, ang halaman doon ay sari-sari, sigawan sa talong, sigarilyas ang sitaw, bataw, magaling, pundo,
That's your hoping.
sibuyas, kamatis, bawang at luya, sa paligid-ligid ay luna. I'm Benjamin, Alinena, don't you remember?
Oh, Ben, you're come back from Manila. Come with me. Come with to our humble kitchen.
Please don't bother, Manang. But then again,